Hi friends, this is an activity that's going to help you become more fluent with your addition facts to 5. So what I'd like you to do is place all your cards out in front of you and be sure to have a dry erase marker and an eraser. Okay, so after you have your cards all laid out nice and neat, what you're going to be doing is answering the fact. So let's start with this one. 1 plus 2 equals. So I know that with this plus sign, I'm going to have to add these two numbers together. So 1 and 2 more is 1, 2, 3. And I'm going to write the number 3. Let's come over here to this fact. 2, do you know what this is called? That's right, plus. 2 plus 3 equals. What is 2 plus 3? Think of a strategy. 2, 3, 4, 5. I'm going to write the number 5 right there. I'm going to come down here. 3 plus 1. I know that one is 4. 0 plus 2 is 2. So you're going to keep going on all of your cards until you're finished. And then when you're done, you are going to open up your Seesaw app and you can take a photo or a video and send it on to your teacher. Have fun practicing your fluency.